आप पेपर दे सकते हैं which is exactly time based sectional timings के साथ and you will get a detailed analysis once you are done with the paper. GMAT focus में आता है quant 60 to 90 के बीच में क्या स्कोर किया, verbal कितना किया, LRD कितना.
And also the scheduled test will also appear under your quiz section where you will have your weekly test.
तो mocks जो हैं वो एकदम आपको GMAT फॉर्मेट, GMAT टाइम बेस्ड फॉर्मेट और विद डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट के साथ मिलेंगे. There is a discount of 2000 rupees and the batch can be purchased at just 10,999. Hello guys, welcome to the orientation session of GMAT Stellar 4.0. A new batch for GMAT aspirants aiming for GMAT focus specifically for the students who are aiming for round 2, 3 or 4 deadlines. So we have today Amit Rora sir along with us. Hello sir, how are you?
Hello everyone. Hello all the GMAT aspirants. Hello Rahul sir. Welcome to the orientation of a very important GMAT Stellar 4.0 batch. We've already launched the batch and we've spoken about some details. But Rahul sir,
Absolutely.
today in this orientation, what is the plan?
सब बेसिकली वी नीड टू टेल द स्टूडेंट्स कि भाई आप जो बैच हैं उसको कैसे यूज करने से वाले हैं, व्हाट आर द फीचर्स इनसाइड द बैच, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू अटेंड द क्लासेस, where you are going to get the notes and how you actually study over here in a beautiful platform which has two-way interaction communications and where the life is very sorted क्योंकि सर हम ही कहीं ना कहीं बच्चों को सारे नोट्स बना के प्रॉपरली एक जगह पे विद इन अ फोल्डर दे देते हैं, राइट? तो आई गेस सर बच्चे की काफी मेहनत जो है कम हो जाती है, राइट?
Right, sir. So I think it will be a very useful thing because all the ones who've enrolled with us will now finally get
करेक्ट.
to know where to go, and how to go about everything. So Rahul sir,
तो
let's
सर
begin.
यस सर, फटाफट
All right.
बैच का थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे देते हैं फॉर द स्टूडेंट जिन्होंने शायद लास्ट बार हमको जब हमने इस बैच को लॉन्च किया था नहीं देखा हो. क्विक
Right.
इंट्रोडक्शन एंड देन वी विल गाइड यू, राइट?
Right, sir.
So guys, Stella 4.0 batch 1, 2 and 3 already successfully, going on. One is done. Round 1 people are going, right? And we are very positive about the results as well. So 2 and 3 are ongoing and now it is the time for the fourth one. So of course guys, the batch is at 12,999. It is a live class batch along with the adaptive test. So it is not a recorded format. It is live classes along with me and Amit Rora sir, right? Where I'll be
Absolutely.
taking care of your quant as well as the DI part related to the quant section. And Amit Rohra sir will be taking care of your verbal part along with the DI part of the verbal reasoning. All right. So थोड़ा सा quickly batch details के बारे में बताएं अमित सर.
Right, sir. So, sir, as we know, and we had already spoken about, these are the dates of the batch. So, again, this has been kept in mind with the fact, sorry, this has been kept in mind with the fact that you can be able to access everything and all the details as much as you want. So, these are your availability dates. All right. Your live sessions will be over by 15th of December, keeping in mind that your GMAT could be around the corner. 100% you will get all live lectures along with the session recording, which is the most important part. The session recording will also include the PDF notes, the hand annotated notes that the teacher is going to record during the session. One-on-one telephonic mentorship be included here, which is going to be immensely helpful for you in all your queries and doubts. Not only that, there will be lots of seminars, webinars, toppers talk as well. And obviously, the most important and the best feature is constant doubt support. Doubt support not only during the live lectures that you will get to interact with the faculties and ask doubts, but also in the form of Telegram channel dedicated with the community. And of course, when we'll be having regular doubt solving sessions as well. So this will
Right.
really aid your preparation and bring you from your level up for your GMAT Focus Edition prep.
एंड कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप इसमें देखेंगे तो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर फॉर द वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल बिकम्स दैट द रिकॉर्डिंग्स आर आल्सो अवेलेबल ऑफ द लाइव क्लासेस.
Absolutely.
सो इफ फॉर अ पर्सन और अ प्रोफेशनल रीजन अगर आपकी कोई क्लास मिस हो जाती है, सो डोंट वरी, वी हैव गॉट यू कवर्ड. आप उसी क्लास का रिकॉर्डिंग जाके देख सकते हैं एंड देन यू कैन कैच अप एंड अगेन स्टार्ट द लाइव क्लासेस विद अस. The batch mode is going to be in English, so we'll be using Hindi as well as English. The annotated notes and the writing majorly will be in English, but yes, for some areas where there are complex explanations, we'll go with the Hindi as well, so that you can get it very clearly, specifically in the maths and when we comprehend a passage for you, right? Specifically in those areas. But yes, if you know English as well as Hindi, or English or Hindi, you'll be able to understand it. You don't have to worry about
So
it.
what Rahul sir is also saying that let not this deter you from joining just because your
Correct.
primary language is English or your first language is English. When we say
Correct.
English, we mean that we will talk in a language which is comfortable to the most of the audience. So not to worry. Obviously, verbal
Absolutely.
being verbal will be in English, but quant may not necessarily always be in English, because some tips and tricks and shortcuts can be better given. Of course, I leave it to sir to decide that is better. But at the same time, please be comfortable in the notion that everything will be done as per what you desire and what you need.
Because
Okay, sir.
absolutely we understand that majority of the people,
Correct.
sometimes are also from the South Indian states and they have
Correct.
difficulty in Hindi. So you don't have to worry because anything that is spoken in Hindi in the class is also spoken in English in the same class. So don't worry if a sentence is spoken or the sentence is spoken in, of course, Hindi. क्योंकि उसी का replicated sentence, same sentence हम लोग English में भी definitely बोलेंगे ही बोलेंगे.
Right, sir.
Right? So I guess let's go ahead, sir. So
Right, sir.
batch offerings, right? So what are the batch offerings, guys? You will be, getting the complete syllabus of GMAT Focus, the new edition. Apart from the class, you'll be getting daily practice problem, DPPs, along with the video solutions, weekly practice test with analysis, doubt support 24 into 7 through Doubt Engine, and 10 plus adaptive mock test, GMAT format, ke 10 plus adaptive mock test and 10,000 plus question banks in the DPP format. So all the questions and everything is covered. You don't have to worry, guys. आपको सिर्फ क्लास करना है, क्लास के बाद उसके रेलेवेंट आपको क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. That is it. All the questions and the mock test will be provided by us. You just have to join in, practice, and be consistent. Correct?
Right, sir. And again, all of this basically has also been tailored to suit and match the new focus edition. So, right from our
Absolutely.
session planning to our teaching to the notes to the questions and everything that you are going to practice will be tailored to the focus edition, including the adaptive mock test itself. So, be rest assured that your GMAT prep is absolutely safe and in the right hands.
Absolutely. And apart from this, every class will start from the very basic. So you don't have to worry कि सर हमारा तो बेसिक ही क्लियर नहीं है, हाउ वुड बी एबल टू डू इट. ऑल्दो अगर आपको लगता है कि आप काफी वीक हैं किसी पर्टिकुलर एरिया में, सो देन ऑल्सो वी हैव गॉट यू कवर्ड बिकॉज हमने एंटायर फाउंडेशन क्लासेस ऑफ मोर देन 50 आवर्स ऑलरेडी रिकॉर्ड करके आपके लिए रख दिया है, विच इज मेड अवेलेबल ऑन फ्री इन यूट्यूब. उसको देख सकते हैं इन द मीन वाइल वी स्टार्ट विद द बैच. And of course, in the class also, we'll be starting from the very basic areas. All right.
Right, sir.
So let's go forward, guys. So about the faculty. So first of all, I have already told you that I'm going to take care of your quant as well as the DI part related to the quant reasoning. I myself has given GMAT, the old edition, and scored 760 in that along with quant 51. CAT, I am 99.82 percentile in quant. GMAT quant 51, tracked 1 lakh plus aspirants, and in the last year itself, majority of them were above 90 percentile and 99 percentile, 77 people who are right now sitting in the top IIMs. I've got myself call from IIM B, C, and L. And I assure you that if you come here with a certain plan that you want to ace it, be consistent, come in the live classes regularly, and I'll guide you through the way, and you can definitely score well. So I guess let's go ahead.
Let's go ahead, sir.
And we have Amit Arora sir along with us. Sir, please.
So my name is Amit Rora. I'll be leading your verbal ability reading comprehension part. I'm a full-time MBA myself and an engineer. I have 14 plus years of teaching experience, including teaching, training, coaching, mentoring for all possible exams, national and international, जिसमें भी verbal or reading comprehension section is included. So with that, we tried to bring to you lots of tips, tricks, and strategies, lot of shortcuts, how to study practically. Because of course, the subject is oriented towards English speaking, English reading, but yet we got you covered, not to worry. 100%, we've also trained a lot of call getters who managed to get into the top B schools around the world. I'm also a visiting faculty at different kind of B schools. So definitely we are trying to going to bring the absolute expertise and practical on-field expertise, which will help you solve questions faster with tips and tricks and shortcuts, which will definitely be useful.
In fact, you will also get an idea, guys, that why this particular skill is tested in GMAT, right? Because ultimately you're going for an MBA college. So sometimes this question appears in our minds, sir, why we need to study this when we are going for an MBA. So you'll get an idea, although the paper is crafted in such a way that they are able to, segregate the people they wanted, right?
Right, sir.
So I guess let's go ahead. And sir, this is a surprise launch offer for a particular time being. There is a discount of 2000 rupees and the badge can be purchased at just 10,999. So this is for a certain time and I don't know up till when. So of course, I guess this is the last time that you quickly go ahead and grab the opportunity.
Right,
Right,
sir.
sir?
Right,
तो
sir.
मेरे ख्याल से
Limited
सर
time.
आगे चलते हैं, एंड
Right, sir.
आई गेस हेल्प द पीपल हाउ टू यूज द बैच सर.
So again, exploring the Watchme, while you will see a lot of screenshots here, we definitely invite you to visit the PW website, go to the PW app. In the search bar, please type the name of the batch, that is GMAT Stellar 2024. Immediately what you'll see the batch opening, you'll see the batch offering. As soon as you click on buy now, you'll be able to, of course, buy the batch at the discounted price, which is currently available for a short duration. Other than that, lot of multiple things. You will get all the batch details. You will get, in terms of demo videos as well from the faculties. You will be able to see Rahul sir's video, my video, also gauge and understand. Of course, you can also visit 100% YouTube as well and check us out. But we invite you to please log in and explore. A lot of these details are pretty much, where you can find out on your own self.
Absolutely.
So as soon as you log in and you buy the batch, on your homepage you will get the description. Here will your schedule come, where your subjects and everything will come. Any class related announcements, notices will come under announcements. And the most awesome part, community, where you'll get to interact with all the other students as well. As you can see, yahan pe there are two sections, because that is going to, and of course data insights, I'm sorry, which is going to be your three major things. And all your session recordings will also be available, and the schedule will keep coming. As we move forward, this is exactly how you will be able to access after every session the video, the notes, the daily practice problem, the PDFs, and the video solution as well. Like I said, it's very self-explanatory. So please explore on your own. You will find out a lot more awesome features other than that. Rahul sir, I think announcements ke baad, then community, and of course, like I said, our introductions also there, including our demo
Of course, all
lectures.
the same things.
This is
Yes
how
sir.
your daily practice problems will look like in the PDF format. Rahul sir, if I'm not mistaken, we have an option to take it in the quiz format as well, right?
All right, sir, we have the option, but I also am not
Fair,
sure
fair, fair.
about the
Yeah, so
GMAT one. But
PDF ही
yes,
दिखा
absolutely,
देते हैं,
PDF फॉर्मेट है,
PDF
और
format
अडेप्टिव टेस्ट जो है वो आपको
in the
डेफिनेटली
quiz. Correct, correct,
इन द क्विज फॉर्मेट मिलेगा. एक सेपरेट प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको मिलेगा जहाँ पे आपका लॉग
correct.
इन डिटेल रहेगा. आप पेपर दे सकते हैं विच इज एग्जैक्टली टाइम बेस्ड, सेक्शनल टाइमिंग्स के साथ, एंड यू विल गेट अ डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस वंस यू आर डन विद द पेपर. आपको जो स्कोर है वो भी एकदम आपको अलग से, जो जैसे जीमैट फोकस में आता है क्वांट 60 to 90 के बीच में क्या स्कोर किया, वर्बल कितना के एलआरडी कितने, दैट मीन्स द एग्जैक्ट रेप्लिका ऑफ योर जीमैट फोकस. बट दैट प्लेटफॉर्म इज अ डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म, वो भी आपको इसी के साथ मिल जाएगा. तो मॉक्स जो हैं वो एकदम आपको जीमैट फॉर्मेट, जीमैट टाइम बेस्ड फॉर्मेट विद डिटेल्ड एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट के साथ मिलेंगे. पीडीएफ फॉर्म में आपको मिलेंगे हर क्लास के बाद क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि हम नहीं चाहते कि आप उसको भी, आप जब टाइम फॉर्मेट में दे दोगे तो आपने 15 में से क्वेश्चन ही ट्राई 10 करे. वी वांट कि
Correct.
इनिशियली व्हेन यू आर इन द लर्निंग फेज यू ट्राई एंड अटेम्प्ट ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन विद योर ओन टाइम. टाइम पे फोकस या कमांड बाद में आ जाता है, पहला एम है स्कोर करना, क्वेश्चंस बनाना. राइट.
Right, sir. And also the scheduled test will also appear under your quiz section, where you will have your weekly test. And of course, as we spoke about the earlier, the doubt engine 100% for solving all your doubts and queries, where you can also attach the slide pic of the from the video, and circle it and then ask your specific doubts pertaining to that. And you can leave all your doubts with proper referencing, of course, in the doubt engine, and you will get a response 100%.
So that is how your annotated notes look like. मान लेते
Right.
हैं the class ends and the annoteds are lying over there, right? अब आपको मान लेते हैं स्लाइड नंबर 4 पे डाउट आया, तो आप स्लाइड नंबर 4 पे डाउट रेस करके जा सकते हैं कि सर ये वाला पॉइंट कैसे आया है विद इन द बॉक्स, एंड अ पर्सन और एन एक्सपर्ट विल कम ओवर हियर एंड क्लैरिफाई योर डाउट. Right, so he also not have to search in the entire PPT, neither you, right?
Right. So this also feature is included. There'll be a polling feature as well, of course, which is the best thing, because that's what
In the
makes the
classes,
sessions
right?
interactive, with fastest fingers,
Correct.
with leaderboards. You can also give a thumbs up or thumbs down. So there are multiple ways to, kind of communicate with the teacher about your understanding. But anyways, Rahul sir, GMAT should be a nice, close, small batch. So definitely there'll be
Correct.
personalized level of attention that we'll be able to give as well, right?
Absolutely, sir. It is a small cohort batch kind of stuff, right? We have very less people because we don't incorporate, a ample of people studying for the GMAT. We get attached with our students, right? We remember their names because, of course, as sir told about the polling feature. So once we give you a poll, you mark it up. So we also get to know that how much of you are able to understand the concept, like an offline class, right? Where we can see
Right.
the faces, Now we can see your name. We get to know that, okay, 90% people mark the question right.
Correct.
80%, so 10% people mark the option B. So we can also tell why B is not the right
Right.
answer,
Right.
right? And once your name quick reappears every day, in the poll, we get to understand that, okay, this guy is facing problem over here. This guy is an expert over here. So we get attached with you. So you don't have to worry. It will feel like an offline class only. Just you are sitting in your place and we are standing here in the studio.
Noted,
So
sir.
I guess, sir, that is it. In
That's pretty
fact, if
much
you
it.
have any issues, then also once you end it up, you will get the options like a video not playing, buffering, audio problem, whatever. So we also get to know that if you are facing any kind of issues, if we get multiple audio problems, we get to understand that, okay, there is some issue, we rectify over here. All right. So it is nothing like that ki there will be some lag or anything. Everything will be spot on, perfect. It has been tested for millions of times now, right? So yes, when I say millions of times, it's not exaggerating because there are multiple categories and we have tested it, quite a lot of times now. Guys, so any issues, you can raise it up, right? In the batch, you will get all the options. As sir said, you don't have to worry. Simply just go on the PW app, explore it. It's very simple. Everything is very, very, very straightforward. And of course, once you open it up, you will get very used to it and you will get a hold of it. And within 2 days, you will be ready. So hope to see you in the classes very soon and all the best for your GMAT focus.
See you all in the GMAT Stella 4.0. Thank you so much, also. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Bye bye.